Hey, Mike B here from Mike's Wild World, taking advantage of a nice warm afternoon. It's not very sunny today. We've had thunderstorms and rain all morning, but when it cleared off just a little bit and I realized, that there wasn't going to be any more rain today, or at least not supposed to be. It looks like it might be. It's 73 degrees out here. Somebody can see me in this little ratty looking t-shirt here. I pulled off the regular shirt because I thought it was going to be a little bit chillier than that, but 73 is, man, you sweat when you start hiking there. But I had a quest for today, and that was to come out and find some premium fatwood. And the area that I live in is just, it's just filled with it. Some places I assume don't have much fatwood. What I'm wearing is my drop pouch, and that's what I put a little bit of premium fatwood in to take back and use for my fireplace. Let me get a piece out. Okay. Took this one off of a tree that was leaning up against another tree. It looked real precarious, but we're looking at a 30 or 40 foot section that was pinned up against another tree. So I just took this right off, kind of off the base. Had some really nice color in it. It's just a sliver. But yeah, kind of proud of that one. A couple more pieces that just came off the side, off the stump. You just can't quit smelling that stuff. It smells great. And there's a really nice piece that'll split off, it'll have some really nice slivers on it. And then this one, which I'm kind of excited about, but this is just a knot that I found in the woods, and I ended up having to actually take my saw and saw it off. It's so solid I couldn't do anything else with it, and then broke off a piece. But to get a look at that core, I'm excited about this one. I want to clean that up on the outside, take off the rest of this old stuff and maybe shine that up a little bit. I might make something out of that other than just burning it up, So down in the deep woods. Uh-oh, looking for, yeah, that's heavy. I'm telling you, that's heavy. So look at that. I'll show it to you one more time. Look at that core. Oh yeah, looking forward to that. Oh, I want to show you something. You see this? That whole core is solid fatwood. I've been waiting for this section to fall off. It's about 20-25 feet high. I've been waiting, I don't know, 6-7 years now. It just won't fall. So I'm excited about that someday if it comes down. The way it's leaning, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go that way. So that's why I'm sitting in front of it this way. So anyway, this is Mike B from Mike's Wild World, out looking for the fatwood. See you next time.